Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain how to fix a Shopify Payments frozen issue. And yeah, this can be stressful, but in many cases, it's fixable in 2026. When Shopify Payments is frozen, it usually means payouts are temporarily held for review. This can happen because of unusual transaction activity, incomplete verification, chargeback risk, or policy-related checks. It doesn't always mean your payments are gone, so stay calm. First, log into your Shopify admin and check the payments section. Look for alerts or messages explaining why payouts are frozen. Shopify usually provides a reason or a request for more information. Next, check your email linked to Shopify Payments. Important instructions or document requests are often sent there. Yeah, missing these emails is one of the biggest delays people face. Now, review your business information carefully. Confirm your legal name, address, bank account, and tax details are accurate and match your official records. Even small mismatches can trigger payout freezes. If Shopify asks for documents, upload them as soon as possible. This may include ID verification, proof of address, business registration, or supplier invoices. Make sure everything is clear, readable, and current. While payments are frozen, avoid making sudden changes to your store. Don't switch products, don't add risky apps, and don't run aggressive ads. Stability helps Shopify complete the review faster. You should also review your order activity. High refunds, disputes, or chargebacks can trigger freezes. If needed, improve customer communication and refund processes to reduce risk. If the freeze lasts longer than expected, contact Shopify support directly from your admin dashboard. Explain your situation calmly and professionally. Yeah, clear and polite communication really helps here. Once Shopify completes the review, payouts are usually released automatically. After that, monitor your transactions closely and keep your store fully compliant to avoid future freezes. So that's how to fix Shopify Payments frozen issues in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify fixes and business tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.